Welcome back, guys, to Southside Boy Style. Here today, we're doing, yes, another video. And we're doing a video on Faith's Honda Civic because, well, it has a little issue that we're going to have to address. And the issue we're having is it's getting too loud. Yes, guys, it has an exhaust leak. And, well, I was looking around and I found where it is. And it's not in one of the best spots, okay? It's right before her muffler, and I'm going to show you guys now. And I'm going to have to fix it. And, guys, the problem we're having is this. Yup. The pipe is broken. And the pipe is broke right there. And I'll show you now. There is where it's broken to. Let me see if I can't get you in a little better. You can see right there where it's broken. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off from here and put in a piece to go up through it, because that's all in pretty bad shape. It's okay up here. It's just not okay here. So I'm gonna have to put it up on the ramps and fix it because, well, it's sounding a bit loud. Now, remember, guys, I put the touchscreen stereo in this car not too long ago. As you can see right there, that part of it's all done. So we're going to bring the car in. We're going to set it up on the ramps. Let's get some lights on here in the garage. There we go. Now, guys, I'm using a different camera here today, so hopefully this works out. Hopefully it stabilizes a bit better than what I'm seeing, but we'll see how the edit goes on the video. Just trying something different, okay? Has a really nice zoom. That feature seems to be okay. So I'm going to set you guys up and put the ramps in, drive the car up on the ramps, and I'll get right back to you. Looks like I'm set up pretty good, guys. Looks like I'm set up pretty good there. The tires are well lined up. That looks good enough, guys. I always do a wiggle test when I put a car up on ramps, so let's give her a little shake. She's nice and sturdy. I might set up some lights for you guys so you can see all the camera action, you know, as it's coming at you on the interwebs and stuff. Does this one have juice? Oh yeah, he's juiced up, guys. Look at that. That's juice. I'll tell you that right now. So let's unscrew this bad boy. Turn the light off for a second because we're all blinded here now. And we're going to use this one so we can see what we're doing. Now, guys, I'm not going to lie. I don't even know if seeing is a good thing for me as I'm welding because I'm not a welder. But we're going to do it because, well, we kind of have to. And there it is, guys. Look at that. We know. Here we go. Look at that, guys. It's all broke off. No good. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna clean it up. I think I might have an idea here, but I'm gonna clean it all up and check it out and see what I can do. Her hangers are all good. All of that's good, which is good. I'm actually gonna spray that. Guys, remind me to spray this hanger so it doesn't rust out. This car is actually in really good condition, guys. There's one. My goodness, guys. Here's two. Okay, so let's plug them in and grind this end off. Okay, so let's see if I can cut a joiner for that one. This one here is the one I cut the end off for it last time. So he has to be the bigger end. That one there is too big. We'll check this one, and I want to see something, guys. Look at that. That's perfect. Perfect. Okay, look at that, guys. That's perfect. This one fits over it nicely, which is really good. So let's unplug this one. Got to put a new wheel on. These Mastercraft wheels, guys, they don't last nothing. They're not good disc. So guys, that's cleaned up pretty good all the way around. It's all cleaned up and that should be fine. So what we have to do now is take this pipe, measure out where we cut this one, and see how that's going to go. Okay, so you see guys, what a nice fit. That fits perfectly. And right here, if you look right here now guys, I think where we should cut this one is probably like right here. Okay, I got my mark made guys. Now we're going to cut it. And that's a perfect cut, guys. Perfect cut. Our piece right here, it's going to be a bit tricky because I have to get this in the actual hangers up right here. I have to get it to go in the actual hangers, which if you remember correctly, oh, they're not so hard to get to go back in. And now we have to fit this piece inside here like that. I don't like how this is close to, okay, so I don't like how this is close to here. I want to try to get this to be moved up to where I can weld it sensibly. I don't know if I'll be able to twist it or not. That might be a bit difficult, guys, but I might have to put a clamp on this one, because remember, this pipe is clean and it's going in right here. Here I can do a weld, but here I might have to put a clamp. And guys, I do wear ear protection and eye protection anytime with a grinder or anything like that. Just to let you know, a lot of you guys ask questions about the way I do things. Well, listen, I do wear protection and eye protection, okay? So I think this first one actually is going to be good for that muffler clamp, because I don't want to be cleaning that. Remember, you saw it's all beautiful pipe in here. I cleaned it up nicely, so if I put a muffler clamp, that'll be fine for this end. So let's get this one ready. We'll check this one. I have a couple different sizes because I'm not about to be welding in here. It's dirty and crap, right? There you go, guys. That's the perfect size. If I can get the nuts back on. There we go. I might actually clamp the both sides because I feel it's more better for this. And my welding sucks. Oh, we got to get a different clamp, which is probably going to be... We'll have to look for one, guys. And let's start tightening these. Right here is where I want it. All we have to do now, guys, is just tighten it up. Okay, so that one is tight. Okay, so guys, I went and got another muffler clamp. Listen, I feel it's better to do this because if I ever need to take this off, she wants to switch this one out, put a different muffler in, all you have to do is unscrew the muffler clamps instead of cutting it and cutting it. And also remember, guys, this is from previous weld on this car, but as you saw when I cleaned it, this is all nice pipe right into about here, all nice shiny good pipe. That just looks bad, but is not bad. That's me putting muffler cement on things which I technically shouldn't. So let's finish tightening this up. Guys, I don't feel anything at all. There's nothing there for me to feel. I think that that's good. There's nothing leaking. Everything's fine. Let me adjust the camera a bit. So that seems okay. I think what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get a SOS pad to shut this off. Look at that stereo, guys. It's so nice in this car. So nice. Let's shut it off. Grab an SOS pad and let's shine up her. We'll take this. This is water, by the way, I put in this bottle. And let's just clean up her pipe. One handy guy here, guys. This is the best way to clean rust, guys. Trust me. You want to make something look new again and shiny, this is the best way to do it. Okay, guys, I have 1,000 rags, but none in the garage. You know what, guys? This rag is no longer good. Let's go in to my bushel of rags. I'll show you. I have plenty, and some is going to have to come out in the garage. So, guys, if you look in here, this is all rags. So let's go. So guys, we got a few rags here. Hey, look at that, guys. We got a couple of old cars here. Come on, guys. If you guys haven't been watching the channel, you better start watching. I built that one on YouTube. This one is up and coming, okay? Up and coming. I got an engine and transmission for it. I got a 350 big block 4-bolt main with a 400 turbo transmission for that car. The excitement is here. I mean, now we have a lot of rags. I'm excited. So let's give this a good wipe down now that we got some nice clean rags. This is overkill, I know, but it's what we do for our kids. Remember, this is Faith's car. Look at that, shiny. Let's see. Shiny, guys. Look at that, shiny. We'll put this light back up here and we'll turn it off so when we spin it we don't blind ourselves. There we go. That's that. And this rag we didn't make dirty. We'll lay it up there like that. I'm going to clean all this mess up, but I'll do that after, guys. Remember, I'm going to do the outro on the iPhone. You guys let me know, okay? You guys tell me what's better, okay? Okay, guys. Here we are. I'm using the other camera, showing you I shine up the pipe. Everything looks good. Everything is done. Like I said, I didn't weld anything because, well, for one, I'm not a good welder. The second is, I'm looking at it this way. If something happens down there now, then all I have to do is unscrew the bolts off the muffler clamps and that'll be it. So that's all done. So guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. As I said in the last couple of videos, just because I'm excited about it, I reached 1 million views. Now I'm over 1 million. By the time this video comes out, way over 1 million. And I so much appreciate that, guys. I really do appreciate it. So to each and all of you, thank you very much. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the likes, the comments. I try to answer every comment I get, and I'm telling you, there's so many, and I'm so appreciative of that. So now let's take this, I'm going to call it a bad girl because it's a girl's car, okay? Let's take this car out, this bad girl, and we're going to park it up front so she can drive it again. Okay, guys. It's a loud car anyway because it's a performance exhaust, but you don't want to have it, you know, like loud before the performance muffler. That's a no-no. Let's back it in for her. She never backs her car in. Never do. I still got to hook up her backup camera yet, guys. I don't have it hooked up, which I should, but it's just busy stuff. And besides, I don't want her to be reliant on a backup camera because you're technically, you shouldn't rely on your backup camera. A lot of people do, but not this guy. So I'm going to keep this going. Okay, so guys, I've already said my outro, but anyways, here we go, all done. Looks pretty good, and that's gonna be it. Thumbs up. See you later, guys.